Welcome to the tutorial on file cabinet navigation and organization in Dokmee. There is no limit to the number of files and folders that you can have in the system. Dokmee will also allow you to store any type of file, although there are limitations on the files that can be viewed within the Dokmee viewer. When you log into Dokmee, clicking Remember Me will allow Dokmee to remember the last cabinet that was accessed. That cabinet will automatically be opened upon logging in. Most of the buttons on the home screen will lead you to modules for the currently open cabinet, while some of the buttons will lead you to modules that apply to all cabinets. To navigate folders and files from the home screen, click on the File Explorer button. This will open the folder and file navigation pane for the currently open cabinet. To change to a different cabinet, click on the Open Cabinet button in the toolbar menu from the File Explorer. You may also click the Open Cabinet button from the home screen, which will first allow you to select from a list of available cabinets that you have access to, and once selected, will open that cabinet in the File Explorer. Once in the File Explorer, on the left side of the screen is the document tree. This is a hierarchy of the folders and files in the file cabinet. You can only display one file cabinet at a time inside the tree. You may not select multiple folders or files from the tree. You can only click on one at a time. If you click once on a folder in the tree, the contents of that folder will be displayed in the file browser. If you click once on a file in the document tree, a preview of the file will appear. In the center of the screen is the file browser. This will display the contents of the currently selected folder on the document tree, or the contents of a folder opened from the browser. By default, the browser is sorted alphabetically by name, with folders listed before files. To change how the list is sorted, select one of the options from the Sort drop-down. To open a folder from the browser, you must double-click. Then the folder will be opened and the contents displayed. The breadcrumbs will display the entire path of the folder that is being displayed in the browser. You can click on the breadcrumbs to go up a level in the folder hierarchy. If you double-click on a file in the browser, the file will be opened in a separate tab. If you click once on a folder or file in the browser, that item will be selected, allowing certain functions such as rename, delete, and download. To select multiple folders or files, click once on each file. To deselect an item, click once on the selected item and it will be deselected. When selecting multiple items, the options might change. The options will also be different for folder versus file selections. On the right side of the screen is the information panel. Here you will see details about the folder being displayed inside the file browser. When a folder is open, the Index tab shows the folder name and folder level index fields. The Info tab displays various details such as number of subfolders and files, date created, date modified, last accessed date, and the GUID for database reference. Restrictions opens a menu where administrators can restrict the currently selected file from individuals or groups. Certain functions may also be restricted here for all files contained in the folder, such as printing, emailing, and other actions. To create a new folder, click the New Folder button. Once named, the folder will be created within the currently open folder. To rename a folder or file, select the item inside the file browser and click the Rename button inside the toolbar. Type the new folder name or file name and click OK. You may also use the Index field text box on the Index tab to rename the currently open folder. If more than one index field is available on the tab, make sure you know which field controls the display name of the folder. You may copy or cut files and folders and then paste them in a different location. To copy a file, select the file and click the Copy button. Then select a new destination folder and click the Paste button. This will not delete the original file. It will make a copy of the file along with the index fields, version history, and file notes associated with that file. To move a file, select the file and click the Cut button. Then select the new destination folder and click the Paste button. To create a shortcut to a file in the Favorites folder, select the file or group of files in the browser and click the Send To button. Select Favorites. Sending a file to the Favorites folder does not move the file from its original location. It simply creates a shortcut to the file. Deleting the shortcut from the Favorites folder will not delete the actual file. To delete a file or folder, select the file or group of files in the browser and click the Delete button. Once the deletion is confirmed, the deleted items will be placed in the recycle bin. When files are in the recycle bin, they cannot be viewed. They must first be restored. To restore a file or folder from the recycle bin, select the item and click the Restore button. To permanently delete an item from the recycle bin and the system, select the item and click the Delete button. Confirm the deletion. To empty the entire recycle bin and permanently delete all contents from the system, click the Empty button. Confirm the deletions. Once items are deleted from the recycle bin, they cannot be recovered.